Welcome back to the 57 build, guys. Working on the exhaust today. On our last video, we got all of our lighting put in. We got our tail lights, our headlights. Now we're gonna hop over to finishing up our exhaust. We have over here our stock exhaust off the cat eye chassis. So first step, we're gonna just chop this muffler out of here. No need for that nonsense. I'm gonna just chop it right here and chop it right here. We're gonna see what we can do for our routing underneath the truck. So our exhaust pretty much starts right here, right at the tail shaft of our transmission. A pretty clear shot with the single exhaust. We can't really go straight over because we have our fuel tank right here. I was originally thinking do some like side exits right down here, but just because the fuel tank over there on the other side, we're gonna not go that route. Our exhaust, when we put it on our flange, wants to go really close to our drive shaft. All right, guys, I got our flange end of the exhaust cut off. So we got the other side of that. And right here, I just have some miscellaneous exhaust pieces from previous projects. So we're gonna try to make something cool out of it. So we have all those pieces. We have this other piece of the exhaust. And if we really need to, I have some more exhaust right here. So we have exhaust for days. I have this Y piece. I might put this split right here, right after the flange. Continue it as a dual exhaust. And I also have two of these carbon exhaust tips that I never ended up using off of an old project. Probably utilize these guys. So we got stuff to work with. Now we just have to build something out of it. As we have our flange bolted in, we're gonna go with this Y split right here. I have the back half of the exhaust on the exhaust hangers at the factory location right now. That is coming out right here at the back fender. So that's where the stock exhaust came out originally. And I'm not sure I like that. I think I might just come straight out back here with that. Yeah, I don't think I like that side exit over here though. It's too low. I think it'd look better coming straight out of the back right here. And I do plan on putting a receiver on there, also off of a different project that I never used. I was just making sure that there's no clearance issues with the receiver and the exhaust. I'm gonna get that slit right there welded on. All right, guys, I cut a piece on this left side to connect our exhaust that's mounted to the brackets already. I think I'm gonna run this other pipe up and around just like that. I need to cut off that hanger right there. But I think that's gonna be our game plan. So this guy, we're probably not gonna be using this hanger right here. I might chop that guy off and might chop the exhaust off somewhere around here. All right, guys. Before we can figure out where our exhaust is going to be routed, I'm going to take this receiver, use trusty old baling wire. I'm just going to mount it up here, kind of where it's going to go. That way there's no questioning where it's going to go. I'm just going to put it up here and make room for it. So that way I don't run into issues down the road when I'm mounting this receiver. I'm not going to be mounting it right now. I'm just going to be temporarily mounting it. Hopefully this baling wire is strong enough to hold this thing. This thing is very heavy. I believe this came off a square body. We'll make it work somehow. We're gonna have to build some brackets for it eventually. All right, guys, it's not perfectly on there, but at least we can tell where we need to go now. We could try to sneak on the side of the hitch on each side, which might look pretty good. And it'll keep it nice and tight up against the truck right here. My goal is to not have too much hanging low. I like to keep it nice and tucked, nice and tight. When I go to build my bumper, I could incorporate the exhaust up here and the receiver area. So now that we have it up, now we can start figuring out which route we're gonna take. I'm kind of liking the idea of just going right between the receiver and that leaf spring perch. So since I know where this receiver is gonna go, I'm gonna take it back off now. I'm just gonna use this bar as a reference. So I'm just gonna stay behind this bar and follow the frame out right here. I should be good. We need to get this thing out of the way because I need to chop this hanger off right here so we can run our exhaust behind it. We have our full exhaust tacked together. We have our exhaust tips on there. This thing's almost ready to be pulled out and welded up. Our exhaust is fully welded and cleaned up. Now we can throw this guy back in, make sure nothing got severely warped, and then I might pull it back out just because of the differential in color, because some of this is stainless and some of this is just mild steel. I might just throw a high heat black paint on it just for the visual effects to make it look better. Let's throw her back in and see if she fits. Hopefully everything lines back up the way it was. Oh, thanks, dude. All right, guys, sounds pretty good. I have tape on the exhaust right now just because I didn't want it to get scratched up, bringing it in and out, and when I was grinding. So I'll take that tape off here in a minute, but, well, actually I might leave it on in case I do end up painting the exhaust. Nice and quiet at idle, but I mean, when you get on it, it's pretty damn loud. It didn't warp, which is a major plus. Now we just gotta get that thing painted and take that tape off and we're solid. All right, guys, I looked in my paint cabinet and I did find some high heat paint. This one's almost out, and this one is very old, very sun faded. I believe this one used to look like that can. But there are 2 cans of flat black paint. So, and if we want to get real crazy, man, I got this orange right here. Probably won't be doing that. This is also a partial can. It's about probably 3/4 full. Let's try it out. I'm gonna pull that exhaust back off right now and we'll see how much we can get painted with these 2 cans. Our exhaust is fully painted. I like it. Get that tape off of there and we'll put her back in. All right, guys, she's fully installed. Damn, that black looks good. Let's do one more sound check. Alright guys, that's going to be the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And make sure to stay tuned. We got plenty more to come on the 57. So stay tuned, guys.